Why choosing the right GIS file format matters. In the world of geographic information systems, GIS, data is everything. Maps, spatial analysis, and decision-making all depend on the quality and structure of the data being used. However, one factor that many beginners and even experienced GIS users sometimes overlook is the file format used to store and manage that data. Choosing the right GIS file format is more important than it might seem because it can directly affect performance, compatibility, data integrity, and the overall efficiency of your workflow. Every GIS file format is designed with a specific purpose in mind. Some formats are optimized for storing vector data, such as points, lines, and polygons that represent features like roads, buildings, or rivers. Others are built to store raster data, which includes satellite imagery, elevation models, and environmental data. Because these formats serve different functions, selecting the wrong one can lead to slow processing, data errors, or limitations in analysis. One of the biggest reasons why choosing the right file format matters is software compatibility. GIS professionals often work with different tools such as ArcGIS, HughesGIS, web mapping platforms, and remote sensing software. Some file formats are universally supported, while others work best within certain software environments. If the format you choose is not compatible with your tools or your team's software, it can create unnecessary obstacles when sharing or processing data. Another important factor is performance and efficiency. Some GIS formats are lightweight and quick to load, making them ideal for web maps and simple projects. Others are designed to handle massive datasets, such as satellite imagery or LiDAR point clouds. Using an inefficient format for large datasets can slow down your computer, increase processing time, and make projects difficult to manage. Data organization and management are also strongly influenced by file formats. Certain formats allow multiple layers, attributes, and spatial relationships to be stored within a single file, making data easier to manage and share. Others require several supporting files or have limitations in attribute storage. Choosing the right format can therefore simplify workflows and reduce the risk of losing important information. Interoperability is another key reason to carefully select GIS file formats. Modern GIS projects often involve collaboration between researchers, planners, developers, and analysts. Using open and widely accepted formats helps ensure that datasets can move easily between systems and organizations without unnecessary conversions or errors. Ultimately, the file format you choose forms the foundation of your GIS project. Just like building a house requires a strong structure, effective geospatial analysis requires the right data format to support it. When GIS professionals understand the strengths and limitations of different formats, they can design workflows that are faster, more reliable, and easier to share. As geospatial technology continues to expand into fields such as environmental monitoring, urban planning, agriculture, and climate science, mastering GIS data formats becomes even more valuable. The next time you start a GIS project, take a moment to think about the format you are using. Choosing wisely can save time, prevent technical problems, and ultimately make your geospatial work far more effective.